Hello viewers, this is Sama from Video for You and I am back with another DJI Mavic Mini video. So in this video I will check that how good the DJI Mavic Mini hovering outdoor when it is connected to the GPS. And also we will check another thing, that how good the DJI Mavic Mini will perform when it is windy out there or in high wind condition. I'm at the third floor of my house and the wind condition here is medium or pretty good. So we will check that how good the DJI Mavic Mini hover when there is high wind condition. And also I have tested in the last video that the how good the DJI Mavic Mini hovering inside and or indoors when it is not connected to any GPS. It was just using the down sensors, but right now I'm in outdoors, so the DJI Mavic Mini will hover, will stable itself by using the satellites and the GPS. So let's see. So here we have our DJI Mavic Mini, which is already connected to the RC as we are seeing the live feed. So right now it is connected to 16 satellites, which is more than enough, and we will take off in P mode, position mode.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So as we are seeing that there is a high wind condition and the DJI Mavic Mini is doing pretty good job in stabling and hovering at the same position. It's doing good job here, and the video feed is also showing no jitter, no fluctuation. The video is very stable. You can even record the video on 30 fps 2.7K. Now it is recording the video and we are seeing no jerking, and in the video is very stable. The drone is moving a bit with the wind because there is too much windy here, but the overall it's hovering pretty good at the same position. And also the video is very stable. The frame is not out. We can also check by touching the drone. It's hovering. If we touch from the front, yes, it's coming back to its original position. See? Pretty good. Good one. It's coming to the original position by itself, and the video footage is also well stable. Pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with the DJI Mavic Mini hovering and balancing itself in high winding condition, and also in outdoor and also indoor. It performed very good in my last video. You can check the video by clicking on the sticker on the right up corner. We have totally 16 to 17 satellites connected, and the DJI Mavic Mini is doing brilliant job here. viewers, I'm back with my flight and I must say that I'm very impressed by the performance of DJI Mavic Mini. It was hovering pretty good, actually very good in such high condition, and the footage from the camera is very stable. The 3-axis gimbal is doing good job in this high condition. The drone was lifting right, left, up and down, but the video was very stable and it was hovering pretty good. I have also tested by pushing its legs, also push from the up, down and the side and the front, but it was not leaving its place, it was hovering at the same position. So I am very impressed by the performance of DJI Mavic Mini. Thumbs up for this little guy. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by clicking over here. Also you'll find a DJI Mavic Mini list somewhere at the screen. You should check it and support the channel. Thank you so much.